one and all. I am Anuradha Sharda. I'm very thankful to all of you for writing in your comments, sharing the videos, and subscribing to the videos. Please do write in your comments and please do write in your suggestions so we can endeavor to bring about more variety and greater knowledge. So today we are going to talk about the different methods through which one can earn different sources of income. And how do we know about the different sources of income? You can know about the different sources of income either from the Chandra Lagna or from the Lagna. That is either from the ascendant or from the placement of moon. So the dictum today being that we check out the 10th house from the Lagna and we check out the 10th house from the moon. Whichever is stronger will give the source of income, and if both have planets, then we will have multiple sources of income. So we need to see this. If we are interested in understanding and seeing the source of income, one of the very beautiful charts that we see is that of Warren Buffett, somebody who has his hand in many a pies. Let's talk about wealth generation from Lagna or moon in Warren Buffett's chart. So if we take from the Lagna, there is an exalted planet with a debilitated 11th lord. Thereby, there is a cancellation of this debilitation. That is, there is a niche bhang. Mercury and Venus in the 10th house of profession. And Mercury, we know, is the Karaka for trading, and Venus is also the Karaka of wealth. Debilitated Venus, debilitated Jupiter do give in wealth. It's not that they don't. So this Mercury, because of his strong intellect, gave him a lot of opportunities to trade. And this Mercury is also aspected by the fifth lord of trading, of gambling, of short-term gains, of investments in share markets and investments in stocks and shares and portfolios. So, and it is with the Lagna lord, making sure that it gives a lot of wealth to the person concerned from that area. Again, we see the 10th from moon is that of that is sun. Sun is posited in 10th from moon, and it is posited in the 9th house of luck. Sun is in his own house, and it is associated with the SL or the Sri Lagna and is aspected by Rahu. The 5th house, as we all know, is the house of short-term gains, as I have just told you, and investments, gambling, share markets, and Sun is the lord of the 9th house, which according to the principle of Bhavat Bhavam is also related to the 5th house. Moreover, Sun is sitting in its own house, making it extremely strong of giving the person a huge amount of luck in his investments, in his workings. Whatever he does yields very good results. This is about the 10th lord and from Lagna, and 10th lord or 10th house from moon. And there we see that because there are very strong planets, Sri Lagna again is all about, Sri is the name of Lakshmi or the goddess of wealth, and Sri Lagna denotes an area which is capable of giving us a lot of wealth. So we know that both these planets, both these houses, the 9th house and the 10th house, by the virtue of their connection with moon and the Lagna respectively, have great capacity of wealth generation. With me being me, I will go ahead and talk about the nakshatras also. Let's take a good look at the nakshatra of Mercury. Mercury is in Hasta Nakshatra, just moving into Hasta Nakshatra, giving him great deal of speed and agility of the mind. Mercury, exalted Mercury, already has given him a lot of speed and agility of the mind, and gives him very good partners also, because Hasta Nakshatra is a Shipra or a very fast nakshatra. It gives quick results. In association with the fifth house, where Rahu is placed, Rahu again is the is posited in Ashwini Nakshatra. Ashwini Nakshatra has a very strong quality of again being a Shipra Nakshatra, giving very fast results. And Ashwini Nakshatra again has an association where such people have an instinct to go for kill or move in areas where others have not wandered and make a killing there. So this gut feeling of knowing when and how to invest properly is something that we can very well associate with the Ashwini Nakshatra here and come out with fabulous results. Now let us talk about Sun. Sun here is placed in the nakshatra of Purva Phalguni. The lord of Purva Phalguni is Bhaga. Bhaga is also the lord of luck. So the fifth house of the natural zodiac, which is supposed to give you a lot of luck, is associated with basically Bhaga. Bhaga gives a person great deal of luck, and as such, Warren Buffett, we know, has his hands in so many pies. He's a philanthropist, he's a financier. He is now also moving into, for the last many years, he's also financing others and also companies which are coming up, that is new companies, and has been great, also reaping great dividends from those companies because he knows where to move in. So he has his share of luck, in fact a great share of luck. And for a person to be lucky to have a very strong sun placed in this nakshatra is a great boon for being so lucky in his business in his ninth house. So we now understand how a person can earn from multiple sources just by looking at the Lagna, 10th from Lagna or the 10th from the moon. So finally, before we wind up on Warren Buffett's chart, there are few things. We all know that it's the complete chart that makes a person so rich. So we need to understand that Saturn, a retrograde Saturn in the Lagna, gives a person an ability to work real hard and real quick. Also, the Lagna Lord and the fifth Lord are conjoined in a they are conjoined in a Kendra. That means such a person, by the dint of his luck and hard work, will go great places. And Jupiter already is the Karaka of wealth. This would, with the fifth Lord Mars, give him lots and lots of money and name and fame, as is the fifth house, giving in celebrityhood. On the 26th of April, we have a free webinar on the Karakattvas of Sun coming up in English at 8 p.m. IST. If you're interested, please register through your email. Contact us on our email address, anuradha.s@anuradhasharda.com, or you can also send a WhatsApp message on the number given below. Till we meet again, stay safe, stay happy.